Hey guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. My 9-year-old son Xavier is in the 4th grade and he's actually been doing school virtually since the 3rd grade. I can't even believe that. But since we've moved into this apartment in August, he's been doing his school virtually from the dining room table. So as you can see, we are cleaning up the area where the desk is going to go and making sure it is tidy and ready for the new little classroom. At the beginning of the school year, desks were so hard to come by. They were all sold out online or super overpriced. So my stepdad offered to restore this 50-year-old antique desk that he had, and he painted it this beautiful blue that Xavier picked out. I'll leave the paint specs down in the description box below. If you can believe it, this desk used to be yellow. So my stepdad sanded it down, filled any of the holes, and painted it this blue color. And then he painted the top surface with polyurethane. This desk is so high quality. It is unlike anything I would be able to afford right now. So we are super grateful. So as you can see, we got the desk into position and now we are putting the drawers in, and even Ethan is helping. Also gave Xavier this perfect little desk chair and a lamp, which you will see later. Now Xavier is bringing all of his books and classroom materials in his room from the little classroom corner he had in the dining room. Now it's time to sort and get organized. I'm just getting Xavier's Chromebook charger threaded through the back of the desk so that the cords aren't all over the place. And here is the big reveal. I am so pleased with this desk. It is so sturdy and well made, and the color is perfect. It fits in this little spot perfectly, and all of Xavier's materials and supplies are now properly organized. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!